We're going to repair this hole using hot patch. First, we'll get the measurements of the hole and get a piece of scrap sheetrock. Then we'll cut the piece of scrap sheetrock to fit into the hole. When we cut off the excess, we'll want to make sure to leave the paper on the piece that we will be using to cover the hole. We'll also want to make sure that we trim the edges to make it a clean square. We will apply mud all around the hole we want to cover. If the paper is peeling off, we'll need to add a bit more of mud in there to secure it back onto our piece. Once we put the piece in, we will wipe it down and make sure to remove any excess mud as we go. After the piece is snug, we will use the mud to form a large circle and smooth the surface we just plugged.